Welcome to my channel, Lorna's Cooking, the Kitchenette. Magluluto po tayo. I'm cooking bacon cheeseburger tonight, and I made my own sauce with it. So this is what I'm doing, the burger. And of course, because the producer was late today, so I cooked the bacon ahead. The director and the producer was late, so minus pay. And have this one, and we're having that also crispy, extra crispy fries. Along with, of course, I made my own gravy. This gravy was, I cooked the other night roast beef. So I saved the juice and I made this just today. Anyways, so right here, this is the sauce that I made for... Besides that, we have this mustard and this one's ketchup. So I put some little bit mayo, red hot franks, and a little mustard, honey mustard. So ito yung labas nun. Yan. So we have onions. So we will put it together after when everything is almost cooked. So yeah. There. So that's what's happening right now at Lorna's Cooking Kitchenette. Don't forget to subscribe. We are not done yet. We'll stay tuned very soon, but I am going to say, please subscribe and click likes and make sure to click the bell button and choose all. So keep on watching and invite your friends to subscribe my channel. Thank you. Oh, sorry. Okay. Right now, here we go. We're almost done. Here. And the secret of this, do not press down, because the juice will go out and whatnot. So just cook in medium and keep an eye on it. And the fries is almost done, I think. No, almost. It's also it's air fry anyway at the same time, like oven sandwich. Here, lagyan natin ng cheese. Para kay sir. There we go. There we go. Would you like something like that? That. And this. Okay. Hinaan natin into just very low so we can put the sauce on the pan inside. Onions here, they will cook quickly on the heat as long as it's and okay. Now I'm putting the sauce that I made a while ago. And of course the rest of it. mustard, ketchup. 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 Here, there, this is for you, so for you, one for me, one for you, one for you. I will focus a little bit more. Ito po ay home cooking. So, whatever your heart goes for cooking, that's where your home is too. So, this is, we having fun cooking at home. And especially, I love cooking. I don't know where that's coming from, but as soon as I get here in Canada, oh yeah, that's how I found that. I didn't search it, but it just happened that all of a sudden, I love cooking. So since then, I've been cooking a lot and do my catering also, Filipino foods. And that's how I started. And I thought, I love to cook, so I thought I'm gonna share it here in YouTube. So I can cook some Caucasian food and lots of Filipino foods, which I always love to eat, to cook. And I didn't make some more dessert yet since I'm doing this in YouTube, so very soon I'm gonna start doing some other stuff. Here and that is yours, and that it is naanay-daghan sa kilo. And fries. I have to insert this one. I totally almost forget me not. Yeah. There. So, look at that. How beautiful is that? And now is the fries. Then, me and Harrison start. Oh, this is so crispy. Oh yeah, perfect. Perfect, perfect. Look at that. Perfect. 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 There. Oven's off. There. There. Thanks for watching my channel at Lorna's Cooking, the Kitchenette. And keep on watching. Don't forget to subscribe and click like and the bell button and choose all. Thanks for watching.